Africa's fastest growing bank, but its profits were more restrained in its latest results as indebted consumers struggled to repay their loans. The bank has also had to set aside a higher provision for bad debts next year.
Capitec says its rate of growth has moderated to around 27% in the past year. That's compared to 10 years of growing at an annual average rate of 49%. This is a clear indication that consumers are under pressure and are not borrowing as much as they did in the past. The bank has also increased the money that it sets aside for bad debts by 50% from 2.7 billion rand to 4 billion rand last year. Regiment's Capital, which owns about 18% of Capitec, says it's not overly concerned about the slowing rate of growth.
The entire sector is under pressure. The consumer is under pressure. Is over indebted. Interest rates. The last interest rate move by the Reserve Bank was high, 50 basis points. Obviously, we don't know what's going to happen this coming Thursday, tomorrow. But the interest rate pressure is on the upward trend, and therefore the consumers in our view are doing the right thing. They're basically restraining their borrowing.
Capitec offers high-interest loans to mostly previously unbanked South Africans with no assets. It's also taken market share from the big banks after entering the transactional market. Last year, it added over 700,000 new customers to take its active client base to 5.4 million. Regiment says it often feels the strategy that has underpinned Capitec's strong growth is sometimes misunderstood.
Once you're in the unsecured lending space, to a very large extent in South Africa, it's uncharted territory by formal banks. But those people as well do need to have access, to do financial products. So yes, indeed, at times we do feel that, in the space that we're playing is very much misunderstood.
Regiments believe there are still plenty of opportunities for growth locally. It says the bank will remain aggressive in terms of its reach by rolling out more branches despite cutting down on its lending activities. The bank has declared a total dividend of R6.63 per share to its shareholders. SABC News, Johannesburg.